Mikey Fest 25th Hornbill Festival come Mikey Fest prize distribution ceremony do Tuesday Dean Day Exhibition Hall Hortiscape Kisamade special guest Salotuno Cruze Minister of Women Resources Development and Horticulture Logode Manaishe Mikey Fest to Society de Naga Mikey Khan laga role to acknowledge Kurule Nimiti Lualaga se Program te Kota Korea Homoide Cruise Bra Kuishiki 17 Naga tribes Mikey Khanbra Mikey Fest Day Waving Culture and Traditions Laga Development Day Bishi Bhal Kam Kurikina Ase Kushe Da Aro Kuishiki Mikey Manukan Livelihoods Day Contribute Kuriasi Aro Market Take Daikan Laga Products Be Promote Kuriasi Kushe Cruise Bra Mikey Manukan Ge Nichor Laga Culture Aro Traditions Ke Preserve Kurule Encourage Kurishe Aro Market Laga Balance Prices Maintain Kurule Be Remind Kurishe Zotisa Dawo NCS Commissioner and Secretary WRT Bra Kuishiki Idufes Loatu Mikey Manulaga economic status aro self dependency and reliance improve Kurule Korea Laga Sikushe
to have been invited and to be included in this wonderful concept curated honestly for the first time. In the entire many years of Hornbill Festival that I have attended, what the department pulled off this year, it's absolutely inclusive and detailed. It shows a lot of thought has gone into it and not just an overnight idea. Ideas can be beautiful, but to execute, it requires relationship. It requires friendship. It requires a thought of friendship that can only be done in the smallest of tasks. No matter how difficult it is, if our hearts are connected, anything is possible. That is something that I have witnessed today, and I'm so happy to see that by the department. And we say for the people, with the people, by the people. I think this is something that has been executed in this Hornbill Mikey Fest. And as a woman, I am absolutely blessed and I feel privileged to be a woman. And having the opportunity as Exotic Eco Secretary, not just that, but as a woman, each stall, it's massive. The first presentation I had the opportunity to look at, I was so impressed. How detailed, how little corners, but you get to see the vibrancy of each stall and how each one of them spoke of the history. Not just the history, but the knowledge. They are the guardian. And especially young ladies, that's something that I was absolutely impressed with. So it shows that a lot of conversation has gone into this curation, and the conversation we were able to have, I think that's something what we Exotic Eco, the society, we believe in, and together as equal stakeholders without each other, the artisans, the facilitators, the mediators, our respective political will to take it forward, it's not possible at all. And everyone in this room are the right people to be here. Without one another, we're incomplete. I, as a secretary, I am incomplete without my artisans. The recent Loinum Festival, which ended on the 8th, it was a culmination of the 10th year of our dedication to the backstripe weaving. Our backstripe weaving is dying. So when we took a round of each of these stalls, we had the opportunity to see the original work, the indigenous craft, because right now, any cloth that we're wearing, most of it is worn by, woven by outsiders. So how indigenous is our craft is another question. Kiman manu nijor manu bunai kini pindi ase, na bahar manu bunai kini moikan pindi ase. That's one. Also the originality of the yarns that we're using mostly are synthetic, 99%. So how authentic is that? We feel so proud of what we wear. Today I'm also wearing very proudly. But I must ask myself also that how much do I know of my culture and of my tradition? In one of the stalls, interestingly, they have the indigenous language and alphabet. How ingenious is that? It's amazing. How many of us do we care? Do we listen? Do we sit down? And do we take part?
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.